Alexis, 4 months old. She's trying to roll over, trying to catch her. Of course, now that she's being recorded, she won't do anything. Alexis, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hi, big girl. Say hi. Say hi. That was quite a sneeze. What are you doing? You gonna do it? You gonna do it? No. We gotta try harder. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, Mommy's gonna fall over. What are you doing? That's how she laughs, just so everyone's aware. You gonna roll over? You can do it. Just how Daddy showed you. Put your arm up, roll over. Yeah. Remember, you and Daddy were practicing. Come on, you can do it. You got your blanket all messed up. Yeah. Come on. Or just sit there and look cute.